wonderful people. Welcome to Chef GABBY channel. Today we are going to learn how to make one of the classic cuisine in France from the city of Lyonnaise. Bonjour, ça va? And the name is potato Lyonnaise. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Let's get started, friends. Potato Lyonnaise was invented in the city of Lyon in France. And potato Lyonnaise contains 4 main ingredients. That is potato, onion, butter, and parsley. These are the 4 main ingredients. So if you go to any restaurants, they give you potato Lyonnaise as a side dish and it doesn't contain any of these 4 main ingredients. Please push it back and let them give you new side dish or new Lyonnaise potato. But I will be adding garlic, fresh thyme, and we know salt and pepper is always to taste, and my extra virgin olive oil. I will cut the potato into about 1/4 of an inch, because if I cut it too thin, it will be mashed when I saute it with the onion. And potato Lyonnaise means potato from city of Lyon, or Lyon style of cooking potato. This is the literal translation of potato Lyonnaise. The water is simmering. I'll add some salt and then I'll add the potato and cook it for about 60%. After, I'll saute with the garlic and thyme and then finish it up with the caramelized onion. This will be ready between 5 and 7 minutes. I will divide the onion into 2 equal parts and slice it thinly for easy caramelization. Potato is boiling. We will caramelize our onion, olive oil, about 10 grams of butter. You add the onion when the butter is completely melts. The potato has been cooking for about 6 minutes now, so let me check it out. Very nice. You can see it's still firm. So from here, I'll strain it, put it aside for it to cool down before I pan fry it with the fresh thyme and garlic. The onion is almost done. I will transfer it here and then set the stove to low for it to continue cooking slowly. I will continue the potato here, so that even without adding with the onion, we will still have a little bit of onion flavor in it before we add it to the onions. So I'll turn it to medium, a little bit of olive oil, 10 grams of butter. When it melts, I'll start adding the potatoes. The pan is ready now. I'll pan fry the potatoes, each side about 1.5 minutes, and make sure you don't overlap a single potato, so that each and every one of them will be cooked nicely and beautiful. Adding the fresh thyme to give it a nice flavor. Garlic. A little bit salt. Black pepper. About 1.5 minutes now. Wow, the potatoes are looking lovely, and the flavor from the thyme and the garlic is amazing. Wonderful. Look at how crunchy it looks. Beautiful. I love this. Ladies and gentlemen, I just finished the second batch of the pan-fried potatoes. So I'll add the first one I did, and from now I will cook it for maximum 3 minutes. So for the first 2 minutes, I'll cook the potato with these ingredients and make sure all the flavors from all the ingredients incorporate in the potato. And the last 1 minute, I will add the fresh chopped parsley, so that when you are eating it, you will feel you are eating real classic Lyonnaise potato from the city of Lyon. Dear friends, the Lyonnaise potato is ready to be served, but always remove the stems of the fresh thyme before you serve it, and then garnish it with a little fresh chopped parsley. Dear friends, the potato is ready and served. So let me taste it and see the outcome. So join me. Let's have a taste of it. Wow, this is lovely. Dear friends, this Lyonnaise potato is the best. It tastes really good. The garlic, the thyme, the parsley, the onion, everything is just on point. The outside is crunchy and the inside is fluffy. So it's like you get a crunchy kind of potato and the inside is just fluffy and smooth, and it tastes just yummy. Please do try this at home, and I know you are going to love it. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adjeley.